In this tutorial, you will see how to install the smartLink software HART Docker container software solution on a Windows platform with Hyper-V. As a first step, in the control panel of Windows, open Program and Features, and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down and verify that Hyper-V is activated. If not, turn on all the features and restart your computer. Create the folder smartlink swht in the directory. This PC, Documents, Hyper-V, Virtual Hard Disks. Download the smartlink_swht_hyper-v_v1.11.zip file from the product website and save it in the created folder. Unzip the file to the folder and delete the zip file. Start the Hyper-V Manager application. Select the action New Virtual Machine. Enter smartlink swht as the name of your virtual machine. Select the location where you want to store the VM and click Next. Choose Generation 1 and click Next. Enter 2048 MB in the Startup Memory input field. Disable Use Dynamic Memory and click Next. Choose Default Switch from the Connection drop-down and click Next. Select the radio button. Use an existing hard disk and browse to the location of the extracted Debian (VHDX) file and click Finish. Now you are ready to start the virtual machine and use smartlink swht. This concludes the installation of the Softing smartlink software HART solution on a Windows platform with Hyper-V. Further information can be found on our website, industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.